is that?
This is probably one of the craziest unboxing videos that we're about to do. It is an OMIGO bidet.
A what?
That's a bidet. It's like I've never bidet before, I'm sure you haven't either, but it's a toilet seat that squirts water to clean yourself.
Like to clean your butt?
Yeah, so you don't have to use toilet paper.
Huh. Could have used this when we very first went into quarantine and we had the toilet paper shortage.
I don't know how I feel. Like, I'm excited, but I'm also a little nervous. And the unboxing
Let's go.
is actually pretty cool. Welcome to the future, people.
Yeah, seriously.
And it makes sense because there's like a video that they have on YouTube that I looked at. And if you like step in like dog poo on the grass or something, you're not gonna like wipe it with toilet paper. What are you gonna do? You're gonna like squirt it with a hose to get it off. So it's like the same concept. So one of us has to try this once we install it.
I'll try it.
All right, perfect, let's do it. All right, so it comes with all the stuff to install it. Look at this remote. Look at all the stuff. We got your rear, we got the front, we got a dry, it's got a fan, we got water pressure, we got nozzle position, seat temperature, you got spray width, water temperature, sterilizing, deodorizing, user 1, user 2, we can have our own settings on
Awesome.
how we want this bidet to bidet us. I don't even know. Let's see what it looks like.
So this is the kind of video where it's like, you know, TMI. If it's weird, it's weird. Whatever.
This
Look at
unboxing experience is actually
this.
amazing. It's got like a bag as if I ordered like some crazy designer shoes.
Let it be weird.
What the heck?
This company is so awesome.
This is actually amazing.
Ollie, do you want to do your butt too?
I thought that this would just be like your generic little bidet that's
Like just a spray attachment or something, right?
This is full
It's like
on,
the whole seat.
Like this is full on the future and comes with this amazing bag. This is crazy. This is like a designer toilet seat. Well, let's install it. Let's see what happens.
See how easy it is. Packaging also works as a dog toy because all those toys don't satisfy her needs apparently. So I'm going to be the test dummy for this bidet because I just feel like it could be more useful for someone that's a girl. I don't know. Is that being like, because otherwise what are you gonna do with it? Just clean your butt to clean your butt?
This is a really dumb question, but is the front for girls?
I'm guessing that's for girls. I mean,
This is something us guys don't know about. We don't know.
see, I could test both.
Could you do them at the same time?
We'll find out. But I'm kind of excited about it because I've always secretly wanted to try one, and
I wanted to try one too.
I don't know what the
because I've heard so much
mystery
stuff
is about it.
that I'm like, we might as well give it a go.
Step 1 is popping off your old lid. So as Kenny started working on the job, he was like, this is a sick job. So I'm trying to find him some gloves. Okay. Found him some gloves.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I installed it. It's pretty easy. I just put those bolts on, which you saw. You start to get that started, then I slid it on. I had to take the hose off up here, connect the little 3-prong thing, and then connect the hose back, and then this hose comes from the 3-prong thing into here, and it is done. There's an LED light.
It's like a party in a
It
toilet.
is crazy.
All the settings are so cool on it.
Look at the remote.
Kenny still has to put the remote on the
Yeah, I
wall.
still have to like hang it somewhere right here.
I've always wanted to try one, but I'm a little nervous.
I'm nervous too. I'm glad you're trying it first so we can get some feedback. Oh, we had to, of course, plug it in,
Oh yeah.
which isn't bad. It's pretty cool. But Miss Guinea Pig.
Okay.
All right.
The seat's warm. That's so nice. Let's try front.
You trying the what?
The front.
Just do the front.
Oh my goodness.
Is it crazy?
It's really fun. Let's try the rear.
Doing the rear now.
The pressure on this thing is insane. Insane. Wow, nice temperature.
Is the water cold?
No, it's like warm.
That's crazy.
Now let's move it. So now I'm gonna hit the fan. I'm gonna try it. Whoa.
Is the fan good? Like is the air warm?
The air is a little on the chilly side, but it's not bad.
Okay.
Feels like a blow dryer's on my bum.
Feels like a blow dryer's on our bum.
Let's see. Let's deodorize.
Deodorize. What does that even do? That's what I'm confused about.
I'm not sure. Oh, maybe the toilet.
Is it making a noise?
Yeah.
I'm scared to try it.
Oh. That's nice. I think what the sterilizing and the deodorizing is actually of the toilet, not of your stuff.
Really?
Yeah, sterilizes and deodorizes
Oh, I
the
think
toilet.
I think the sterilize is for the rods that come out because I think they like flush themselves.
Oh.
The deodorizing is supposed to deodorize like the smell or something.
Yeah, because it sounded like a fan was going.
Yeah.
I like it.
I don't have to go to the bathroom, but I might just give it a go just to.
It's very shocking
Just
and
to try
very
it.
accurate.
I'm scared.
Goes right to the Ken's turn. It's seriously like such a wild feeling, but it's really nice. I know. Seat's warm.
Right now. I'm scared.
I'm scared. It's not scary. It feels good.
I'm scared. Alright. Here goes nothing. I don't know what to do.
Hold on. Just started going.
Oh my god.
It's seriously
Right on
insane.
target.
Right on target.
Oh my god. I don't know how I feel.
You know you like it.
I don't know. I mean, I can see how it cleans.
Yeah. Do the front to back, like make the water move back and forth.
What do I do?
Hit move.
Oh, it's like a car wash.
Right? Car wash for your butt.
Do I have to stop it myself?
Yeah.
Alright,
He doesn't hate it.
it's not bad. This isn't as bad as I thought it would be.
It's awesome, isn't it?
It's actually not bad at all.
Can't knock it till you try it. It's gonna sit in my beanbag.
I almost just dropped the remote in the toilet.
Oh my god, what was that?
The remote?
See, we need to get it mounted on the wall.
I mean, like,
We don't hate it.
I don't hate it.
I actually
mean,
might like it.
I'm a little, like, I was a
lot.
little uncomfortable. I had some adrenaline. I didn't know what to expect. But I don't hate it. I mean, I can totally tell how it would get you clean. But we actually gotta try when we actually go to the bathroom. It's like a full-on car wash.
For your butt.
And it gets right on target. Like, that's what I was concerned about. I was like, is this gonna spray like my left butt cheek or my right butt cheek? No. Right on target. I mean,
Mind blown.
I don't hate it.
I don't hate it.
So, this OMIGO bidet is like the real deal. It does everything. It has a seat warmer. It literally does everything.
Water temp,
Water
Dries.
temp, dries, it's
deodorize, sanitize.
front side, back side.
It just ices all over the place.
I'm terrified I'm gonna hit the front side one day. Because that's not for guys. And you don't want to get a surprise. That rhymes. The best part is this is in our guest bathroom, so when guests come, they have to use this. And we'll tell them, like, you can use toilet paper too, but we know every single guest
They're
that
gonna
comes in
try
here,
it.
they're gonna see this remote and they're gonna be like, I might dabble a little bit. I might.
It's so tempting. How
Why
can you
not?
Yeah.
And to be honest, like, I was like, when I knew they were sending this to us, I was like,
You were secretly so excited.
I mean, I was excited to see what was going on because I've wanted to try one, but at the same time, I'm like, this is gonna be so awkward.
For who? It's in our house.
Well, for us to do a video.
Oh.
But
I don't care.
it's like, it's not bad. Give it a try.
Check them out. I'll link them down below so you can shop and order yours today if you want to.
Do we shout out 3 of our followers on this video, or is it just weird? Is it?
Shout them out.
All right. Hold on. Here, wait. You shout them out.
Okay, I'll do it.
Just gotta grab my phone. Shout them out.
All right. Let's do.
You guys are special. You're getting shouted out on a bidet product review.
You're welcome.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do Hayden Grace 7. Let's do Adriana _Milton. And let's do Addison _fan. Is that Addison from TikTok you're talking about?
That could be.
Could be. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Thank you, Amigo, for this awesome bidet. We are so stoked about it.
It's actually pretty cool.
I can't wait to have to poo. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment below anything else you'd like to see us do. But until next time, later.